back to my channel. It's your girl Shayna Renee, and we are back for another video. So today's video is sponsored by Zaful. I just want to get straight into it and thank our sponsors for today. Zaful is an online clothing brand. They sell women's clothing as well as men's clothing, and they sent me over a few looks, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys because the pieces are definitely hitting. So I'm going to show you guys some of my fall must-haves that I picked from Zaful, and right now is the perfect time for you to get your hands on any of these products because Black Friday is here, which we already know is the biggest shopping sale of the season. So if you didn't shop all year or all season, this is the best time to get your hands on some of these pieces. So I'm going to show you guys today in this video how I dress up all my items that I have received from Zaful, and we're gonna see like what these pieces are looking like, and you guys can let me know down below what you guys think of the items that I chose and how I dressed them up. You can also find all of the items that I'm going to show you guys today in my description box below, so that's even better. So let's get straight into this video. Okay, so first things first, let me show you guys obviously the robe I'm wearing right now. It's a super cute black silk satin robe, whichever material. This is also sent over by Zaful, so I just thought, what's a better way to start the video than in a robe? You know, we're just gonna start in the robe until we put on the looks. Also, I also got these rings from Zaful as well. Super cute, and I feel like it helps to make my nails pop. Like, I love the multiple ring look, so I got these from Zaful as well. Very cute. So like I said, they have so many options on their site: clothing, accessories, jewelry, men's clothing. If you want to get something for a special person in your life, girl, go ahead and do that. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Make sure you guys check out the description box below for all items that I'm going to have linked in this video. Let me know your thoughts on the outfits, and let's get into the looks. Guys, so first up is this super cute printed cardigan, which I love because I just feel like it's so perfect for the fall season. It just adds some pop to your outfit. So I paired this with some black leggings and my yellow Bottega heels, as well as my yellow Japanese bag, just to add more of a pop of color for more of a psychedelic type of vibe. I would honestly wear this outfit for a night out with my girlfriends, if we're gonna get some food, drinks, hookah, anything. This sweater is so cozy, very comfortable. I have this in a size medium for more of like an oversized look, and it's not super big. It still fits pretty good, so I do suggest if you do want to get this sweater, going a size up. But I love this outfit. I love how the look came together. The next item that I received from Zaful is this super cute knitted sweater, but it's like a knitted wrap sweater, and it's in this oatmeal color. It's super soft, very stretchy, and it has like a belt, like I told you, for me to wrap it and add some pizzazz to it. I'm gonna try this on so you guys can see how the full look comes together. So when I put this on, we're gonna see how the look comes together, and let's talk about the look when I put it on. Give me one moment. Oh, it's so soft, you would think it was cashmere. One thing about Zaful, they have really good quality pieces for such an affordable price, and on top of that, you're getting the discount for Black Friday. So what's better than that? Make sure you guys use my code, which I'll leave right here on the screen, so you guys can shop and save from Zaful, because why not save? Like, we all need to save our coins, ladies, okay? But back into the look. So this is a super cute sweater in this oatmeal type of shade. I really think it's cute. I will definitely wear this look for a date, meeting my boo's parents kind of vibe, a meeting, something like that, because it's more of a sophisticated, very classy, not risky at all type of look. So definitely, like, for a meeting, like if I have a quick little business meeting but I still want to be cute and comfortable, I definitely think like this sweater is the perfect option. I paired it with some I paired it with some brown trousers, and it just helped elevate the look a little bit, just to add a different type of hue to this oatmeal color. These are brown, and I also paired it with my white Dior bag just to add a pop of color because I had on brown shoes as well. I definitely suggest this sweater. This is actually one of my favorite pieces because I love the open sleeve. I think this adds so much style to the sweater, as well as the wrap at the bottom. And of course, if you want to show some cleavage, you can do that as well. So this sweater is super versatile. I believe this sweater comes in one size, so I don't think it's a small, medium, large kind of thing, but I see why they did that because this sweater is super stretchy, and I believe a lot of sizes can fit in this. So if you guys like this sweater, make sure you guys click the link in the description box and get your hands on this because we gotta give classy vibes too, okay guys? So my next item is this super cute two-tone flannel. Of course I had to get some type of flannel for this clothing haul because this season it's fall. This is flannel season, okay? Flannels are super trendy right now, especially this year. So we have red on this side and black and white on this side with the red pocket detail. I love this. It's super cute and it's a really nice street style vibe, which I've been going for a lot this season, just for a more comfortable but still edgy look. So this flannel, I believe I got this in a size medium because I wanted more of that oversized vibe look. I'll probably pair this with some mesh shorts and a black bodysuit underneath and some black boots for, like I said, more of that edgy street style vibe. So if you want that oversized cozy look, I would suggest going for a size up like I did. I didn't want to get a small because it wouldn't give me the vibe that I was going for. But the quality, guys, the quality of these items are amazing, like literally. Like, and I believe, I don't remember the exact price, but I do not think it was more than $30. So that's amazing. So this is one of my favorite pieces also. I know I'm gonna say this about everything, but trust me guys, I love a flannel. You can dress it up, dress it down, wear it with sweats, wear it with a cute outfit to go out. So let me stop babbling and just try on the outfit so you guys can see what it's giving. So this is definitely one of my favorite looks so far. It's super fun, super cute. I'll be right here on the screen, so check me out. I paired it with this black bodysuit and some sheer pants, and I think the look was chef kiss. It's super casual, but you could also dress it up, which I kind of did. Like I said, I could also pair this with some pants as well. So I'll probably show you guys the opposite look as well for like a more dressed down kind of vibe in the next clip. So for this flannel, I got it in a size medium, and as you guys can see in the video, it is an oversized vibe on me, which I love because it just, you know, gives it more of that cozy look. Like, I'm not trying to do too much and I still want to be comfortable, but like I told you guys, if you want that oversized vibe, make sure you guys size up no matter what your size is. If you guys like this look, you can get it, like I said, in all the other clips in my description box below. All links are listed below for all items. So I love the contrast on this top, the red on one side and the white and black on another, because that's super cute. That's super cute and very different, so I love that. Zaful really came through with this item. I runched up the sleeves like that just to give it more of a sporty, chic kind of vibe. I just felt like if I left the sleeves on, it wouldn't just give that same kind of look. But I would wear this for like a quick dinner, date. What else would I wear this to? Yeah, definitely dinner. Like dinner and a lounge kind of vibe. So this is the vibe that I'm going for with this outfit. And like I said, flannels are very popular this fall, so if you don't have you a flannel yet, make sure you guys go get one from Zaful because they have a bunch of different variations. This was just my favorite because I love red, especially when I want to do a little red bottom like I did in this clip. So make sure you guys get in tune because this one was cute, girl. Next up, we have this super cute gray knitted cardigan. It's a turtleneck vibe. So one thing I would tell you guys, I definitely racked up on my cardigans for this haul. Winter is approaching. I love feeling cozy in the winter time. I do not like being cold. So Zaful definitely has a great variety of cardigans and sweaters, which I love. I really like this one because it has this, like I said, knitted type of vibe, and it's a turtleneck. It's super, super cute. So let's see what it looks like on. Okay guys, so this outfit was super, super cute. Totally my vibe, not doing too much, casual but still giving a full look. So this sweater is super thick and cozy, and I kid you not, I'm in my apartment right now hot because the sun is literally beaming in, and it's really not that cold in Atlanta right now, but when it does get cold, honey, I'm gonna be set. This sweater, like, it's an oversized. I'm not sure, I think I got a medium in this as well. I think all the sweaters that I tried on today I got in a medium just for a more cozy vibe, and honestly it's not as big as I expected it to be, but it's still cute, still a vibe, still really cute. But one thing I love about this is that I'll still be able to layer it with another item underneath just for that extra warmth and coziness. But let's get into the look. I have paired it with some biker shorts as well as my Givenchy shark boots and my black Chanel bag, and I think this outfit is super, super cute. Like, you guys let me know what you guys think about this look right here, because like, she's given but she's not giving too much. It's still a vibe, you know, casual vibe. I would wear this outfit honestly to the mall. If I was trying to be really cute, I would wear it to just go to any type of movie date, or still like a casual day date, lunch date. You know, it's winter and fall vibes, so it's like we want to be warm but obviously still cute. So I think this look definitely does the trick and does the job, and I'm really feeling it. So if you guys like it, make sure you guys go cop it. So let's get into the next look because we still have a couple more coming. You guys, so next item that I have here with me are these jeans, and I'm not gonna lie, these jeans are not one of my faves on this list. I'm actually not that impressed, and it's crazy because when I ordered them online, I was very excited. So I'm gonna put myself up right here on the screen so you guys can see the look. So the vision I had for these jeans was to wear a pop of color shoe, but the jeans are, don't get me wrong, they're a nice pair of jeans, but it didn't fit the way I wanted it to fit. It's really big around my waist, so in the video you will see me holding up the back to just show how I would like it to fit versus how it actually fits. So I knew I wanted to do a pop color shoe, but the jeans are definitely not tall girl friendly. So if you are interested in these jeans and you are a tall girl, sis, I don't know, it might not work out for you because I'm short and they're just not long enough the way I would like it to be with heels. I think they're still a little high for heels. So I think if I do want to ever end up wearing these jeans, I would want to have to get it tailored, and also I'll probably have to do a sneaker versus any type of heel. But this is kind of the vision that I had for the look. It didn't really quite execute the way I would have liked it to, but I still just wanted to try it on just to give you guys a little vibe of how it kind of came out. It's not horrible, but it's not my favorite. So let's go on to the next look. All right guys, so next item that we have up on the list are these black cargo pants. So when I saw these online, I just had to have them because I love casual pants just like this, and I could dress this up with a bodysuit, a hoodie, a graphic tee, some sneakers. Really cute. So I'm gonna prop myself up right here so you guys can see how I look and what I ended up wearing with. I just paired it with this black bodysuit that I have here, and it was pretty cute, really basic, nothing crazy, nothing special. I would wear this just if I'm doing some run around, a Target run, something very casual that doesn't require much. So my thoughts on these pants are, like I said, very cute, very comfortable, but once again, not tall girl friendly. And I don't know if this is how all their pants cut, but I just want to let you guys know to keep that in mind if you guys are interested in the pants, that they don't run very long for taller girls. But very comfortable, very cute. They are actually a little short on me as well, but I have a trick for them if I do want to wear them. So I did pair them with my Rick Owens sneakers, and they do have like a little gap at the bottom like I showed you guys in the video. But the trick to that is to get some long black socks, so that way if they do start rolling up, you don't really see the obvious difference, because it will still look like it's the pants. So if I do ever wear that, that is what I will do. But yeah, the pants are really cute, really comfortable. They're just not long. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind when you guys are deciding to make your purchase on whatever items you do decide to get from this haul. But I love these pants. They're a very nice casual vibe, and yeah, I love the pocket details and the drawstring. So if you really want to have that nice cinching at the waist, you can definitely do that, because they definitely come in a lot. So I got these in a size medium actually. So one thing I would say, these fit me pretty good. So honestly, I think Zaful's clothing does run small, so I'm glad that I did do a medium in a lot of the items. So if you guys want an oversized look, maybe go 2 sizes above instead of 1, because from this try on haul, things that I thought that I got in a medium, I thought it would be much bigger than it was. But I just want you guys to keep that in mind for sizing. But other than that, a very cute pair of pants, and I think I have 2 more looks for you guys, but I won't be trying them on because they didn't fit me quite the way I wanted to. But they're still really cute items, and I will be wearing them, but I just have to get them tailored first. So first item is this super cute cream turtleneck sweater dress. Oh my god, I wish this fit me so I could show you guys how it looks, but it's just too big. It needs to be cinched in at the waist. A whole lot of alterations need to be done to this dress for me to get the fit that I want. I actually got this in a size Oh yeah, so it's in a size 1 size. So I see exactly why the dress didn't fit me the way I wanted to. And as you guys can see, it has so much stretch. Like, I'm literally stretching the crap out of this dress. So when I do finally get this dress tailored, I would definitely pair it with some nice knee-high brown or nude boots, just to you know, give a nice contrast to this off-white color. But super nice dress, very thick. I know this dress will really keep me warm during this season, so I can't wait till I do get a chance to wear it after I get it tailored. But it just didn't fit, so I was really heartbroken about this dress, because this is something that I was really looking forward to wearing for the try on haul. But it's okay. When I do wear this dress, just make sure you guys keep up with my vlogs, because I'm definitely going to show you guys how I paired it. Another item that I got that just didn't fit me right, it was very boxy but it's still a really cute cardigan, was this vest. So I did plan on wearing it with a white button-down shirt underneath, but it just didn't give me the vibe that I was going for. But if you guys like sweater vests, make sure you guys get this item below, because honey, it's a really cute, very Christmas vibe. Like, if you're going to Christmas dinner with your family, going to dinner with your boo for his family, you could dress it up with a nice oversized collared white shirt underneath with some like black leggings and some really cute black boots. That would be such a cute look, but it just didn't look really good on me. And I got it in a size small. Maybe I should have went up a size for this, especially since I wanted to do it with an oversized button shirt. But I don't know, it just didn't work out that way. So last item that I will be dressing up for you guys will be this bodysuit. So when I saw this bodysuit on Zaful's site, guys, I had to have it. It's so sexy and I just love it. It's a sheer material, but obviously we get like a thicker material over the boob area to cover up the girls, of course. But let me put this outfit on, and this will be my last outfit on this try-on haul. I had to save the best for last, so let's see what it's giving. Okay guys, so this was honestly one of my favorite looks, and it just was giving everything that I needed to give. So this bodysuit is super sexy, like I told you guys. So I paired it with this black blazer. I'm going to put myself on the screen so you guys can see the look. I paired it with the black blazer and these black trousers along with a burgundy pair of heels for a pop of color. I honestly would also do it with a black shoe as well, like an all black kind of vibe. So this look is such a sophisticated, sexy look. I would wear this to a dinner date, you know, your first date kind of vibe, when you still want to be sexy but show that you're classy at the same time. So this look was honestly giving everything that I needed to give. Like, honestly, I love the bodysuit. Like, it just, the details, the back straps, everything, very, very cute. And of course, you know, Zaful got you in all the styles. So if you like this bodysuit, make sure you guys get it, because honestly, this is one of my favorite items. You guys know I had to save the best for last, so let's get into the look. But this is the last outfit on this try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys shop with Zaful for their Black Friday sale. The looks, they have looks for days. Any vibe that you're going for, whether it's casual, streetwear, dressy, night out vibes, whatever vibe you need, they definitely got it for you. I hope you guys liked all the looks that I showed you guys today, and if you did like them, make sure you guys shop with Zaful this Black Friday. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more try on hauls, because I'm bringing you guys all the heat, all the looks. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.